Friends, today we will see few more sums from arithmetic progression. Take the first question, that determine the 50th term of an AP whose first term is 5 and the 100th term is minus 292. Friends, here we have to find the 50th term where the first term is given and the 100th term is given. So in this case, just see how to find the 50th term. To find any term, we require A, N and D. First term, N terms means number of terms, and D means the common difference. So here the given things are first term, that is A, is equal to 5. 100th term is given, that is T100 is equal to minus 292. And we have to find the 50th term, that is denoted by T50. Friends, we know that the nth term is calculated by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here the unknown quantities are A, N and D, out of which A is given to you. We have to find the 50th term, so N will be 50, so N also we know, but we do not know D, that is the common difference. To calculate this common difference, the 100th term is given, so from this 100th term we can calculate the common difference. So see how that can be calculated. So T100 is equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 100 minus 1 multiplied by D. So which is equal to minus 292, because the 100th term is given as minus 292, A is given as 5, so that is equal to 5 plus 100 minus 1, that is 99D. So after solving this linear equation, we get D is equal to minus 3. Now we have A is equal to 5, D is equal to minus 3, and we have to find the 50th term, so N is equal to 50. So we can find the 50th term as T50 is equal to A plus 49D. So that is equal to T50 is equal to 5, because A is 5, 49 into D is minus 3. Therefore solving this we get T50 is equal to minus 142. Friends, we will see one more sum. Here we have to calculate the 10th term. If the third term and the sixth term of an AP are 7 and 13 respectively, it means the third term is given to us and the sixth term is given to us, and we have to find the 10th term. So first see what are the given things. Third term, that is denoted by T3, therefore that is equal to 7. Then the sixth term is given to us, that is T6 is equal to 30. And we have to find the 10th term. Friends, we know that the nth term is calculated as A plus into bracket n minus 1 close the bracket into D. So unknown quantities are A, N and D. Therefore T3 can be calculated as A plus 2D is equal to 7. Therefore you will get the first equation as A plus 2D is equal to 7. Now the sixth term is also given, but sixth term is calculated as A plus 5D, and that is given as 13. Therefore another equation we get as A plus 5D is equal to 13. Solving these two equations simultaneously, we get A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 2. Friends, now we can find the 10th term, because we know A, we know the value of D, and we have to find the 10th term, therefore n will be 10. So T10 is equal to A plus 9D. Replace the value of A and D, then we get T10 is equal to 3 plus 9 into 2, and therefore T10 is equal to 21. And so friends, the 10th value, 10th term is equal to 21. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you might have enjoyed. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.